there, camper. Welcome to our camp. With Father's Day coming up soon, I thought it might be a good idea to write a Father's Day card together. Would you like to make one with me? Awesome, and before we get started, it's important to remember that not everyone has a father around that they can write to. So if you are one of those people, it might be a good idea to write to someone who's like a father to you. It could be a grandfather, a teacher, a coach, or an uncle, or any man that you appreciate and that you love. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, all you need to make a Father's Day card is a piece of paper and something to draw with. It could be a pencil, pen, markers, anything you want. And then, you're going to grab your piece of paper and fold it in half. So now, we have the front of the card and the inside of the card to write in. Alright, I like to start out with Happy Father's Day. And if you're having a tough time spelling this, feel free to just draw. I know whoever you're writing to will appreciate it because it's coming from you. Alright, let's see. You know, my dad really likes the ocean, so let's start out drawing some water. And he also really loves sailing. It just so happens that blue is his favorite color. Then let's make a sailboat. I'll draw a red one here. And then I'll add the mast, which holds the sails. And then I'll draw the sails. Color them in as well. Awesome. And my dad really loves being by the water, and he also likes being on the beach, so let's draw the beach. Let's draw it maybe up here. Add some yellow sand. And then let's add some water again, because he loves being around the water, and his favorite color just so happens to be blue. And then, just for fun, let's draw a crab. Crab has some long arms. And some eyes. There you go. And feel free to add more if you like. I think this is good for my card though. Let's hit the inside, and then we'll start out with, I'll use his favorite color again. And I'll say, Dear Dad. Depending on who you're writing to, you can write to whoever you want. So you can change it to your grandfather, uncle, whoever. And then I like to say, thank you for being my dad. You are awesome. Love, Chase. Awesome. And you know, I think there's still some room for me to draw some stuff. So my dad also loves alligators, so let's draw a gator here at the bottom. I'll draw the mouth over here, have it open a little bit, draw a scaly back right here, color it in, maybe give it some legs so it doesn't look like a worm. And there you go. I'll add some teeth, a pen, and maybe add an eye as well. My dad and I have also done a lot of driving, so I'll draw a car right up here. I remember when my dad was teaching me how to drive, we had a lot of fun. I'm very lucky. And there you go. Father's Day is a fun time for many, but it's not easy for everybody. But I believe that no matter who you're writing to, they'll appreciate it because it came from you. And I think it's a good thing to tell people that you appreciate them. Well, I hope you have a great Father's Day no matter who you choose to celebrate. And thank you for coming to our camp. Please hurry back, and I'll see you next time.